Join me today on my Island Tower Terrace tour. We begin on the third floor with the Bamboo Forest Terrace. This is the smallest of the 4 terraces facing Seven Seas Lagoon. Seasonally, I would love to drink my coffee up here with a bestie as we watch the boats on Seven Seas Lagoon go by. It doesn't have the best view of the fireworks, but it's peaceful nonetheless. Moving up to the 4th floor, we have the Lava Rock Terrace. It has a large mural as its defining feature. It depicts a volcano erupting in Polynesian style, and it faces the golf course. This would be a great place to watch the monorails go by, so grandparents, you would love to bring your grandkids up here and watch the monorails heading towards Magic Kingdom. Progressing to the 5th floor, we find the Wave Break Terrace. Like the Lava Rock Terrace, this one has a large mural on the right wall when you walk in. This is probably my favorite as it faces the Magic Kingdom and has a fantastic view of the fireworks. Remember, this terrace is the most popular, and seating will be limited during fireworks, so make sure to arrive early. Last but not least, we have the Lagoon Reef Terrace on the 6th floor. Both walls here are a deep blue with wooden, coral, and Polynesian style theming. This is the highest terrace level and it faces the golf course. Once the golf course and parking lot construction is done, this terrace will be a fun one to bring the kids. However, these aren't my best views. The best view was actually from my room. If you want the guaranteed best view, book a theme park view for you and your travel party. And don't worry about snagging a seat on any terrace. Not sure how to do that? Contact me. Glass Slipper Concierge knows luxury, and we know Disney.